Pagdating naman sa battery life, si Reno 15 5G ay may massive 6,500 mAh typical capacity battery. That's 25.48 watt-hours. The rated capacity is 6,335 mAh at 24.84 watt-hours. So sa totoo lang, ito ang isa sa pinakamalaking battery capacity sa kahit na anong smartphone sa ganitong presyo. In my testing with mixed use, social media, YouTube, some gaming, taking photos and videos, web browsing, I easily got through a full day with 30 to 40% left. Kung hindi ka naman heavy user at hindi ka babad sa gaming, pwedeng-pwede itong umabot ng 2 full days nang hindi nakasaksak sa charger. For heavy users naman, extensive gaming, lots of 4K video recording, constant streaming, you'll still comfortably get through a full day without battery anxiety. At kapag kailangan mo naman mag-charge, huwag ka mag-alala dahil may 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging ito. From 0 to 100%, it takes about 40 to 50 minutes only. A 15-minute top-up gets you roughly 40 to 50% battery. Kaya kahit makalimutan mo mag-charge bago matulog, isaksak mo lang habang naliligo o nag-aayos ka sa umaga, sapat na yon para itawid ka hanggang sa gabi. So for Filipinos who are always on the go, commuting, traveling, or working away from outlets, this battery capacity is a lifesaver. Sa totoo lang, ito ang isa sa strongest aspects ni Reno 15 5G. Kumbaga, kampante ka kahit nasaan ka pa. Dahil alam mo hindi ka basta-basta mawawalan ng power during the day.